So it's time. We're going to start ruthlessly decluttering this bathroom with products that I've opened that are going to be expired, or that just need to be thrown away because I don't like them or whatever the case may be. We're gonna go through all this and get rid of what we can, and then the rest will be packed up. Same thing, I'm gonna go through just and then, so that's on the list today. Tackle that, tackle this, and then start tackling this in terms of clothing. Those are Halloween costumes. Those are my memory box, sewing machine. But yeah, I need to start tackling this guy as well. I know, it's a mess. Pray for me, please.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
closet clean out decluttering with me video preparing for the move. If you like seeing videos like this, check out my vlog channel. It's always linked down below. I'm going to be doing a ton more moving, packing videos over there, and then unpacking as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little closet clean out declutter video with me, and check out my Poshmark if you're interested in picking up any of the pieces that you saw. Go quick because they're already up, so they could go very fast. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.